Hi guys, it's Dr. Mohammad Usman and I am back with another video. If you haven't liked my YouTube channel, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to my YouTube channel to stay updated. You can also visit my Facebook page for updates. So let's talk about today's topic. So today we will be talking about using project management, processes, tools and techniques that put in place a sound foundation for organization to achieve their goals and objectives. As we have seen that a project may be managed by into three separate scenarios: as a standalone project, as a outside portfolio or program, within a program or within a portfolio program. When we are working on the project management, the project managers interact with portfolio and program managers when a project is within a program or portfolio. For example, there are many multiple projects that may be needed to accomplish a set of goals and objectives set by the organization. So to provide solution to such situation, projects may be grouped together into a program. And previously we have seen that a program is defined as a group of related projects and related programs, and its program activities managed in a coordinated way. Some organizations often employ the use of project portfolio to effectively manage multiple programs and projects that are underway at any given time. Similarly, like when we are talking about portfolio, it is defined as project, programs and related portfolios and operations managed by a group of projects and group of project managers for achieving strategic objectives. So basically, when we are talking about the relationship between the project, program and portfolio, we are talking about the different organizational project management, different scope, change, planning, management, success and monitoring. So when we are talking about scope of project in organization project management, we are talking about that projects have defined objectives and scope can be elaborated throughout the project life cycle. Similarly, like when we are talking about scope of programs in organization project management, we are talking about that the scope of program components and the program benefits to the organization that give us to the outputs and outcomes of the program that are delivered and coordinated in a complementary manner. Similarly, like when we are talking about the portfolio scope, portfolio have an organizational scope that changes within the strategic objectives of the organization. When we are working on the different parts of organization project management, we have to encounter change, planning, management, monitoring and success. So when we are talking about the change of projects, the project managers have to manage the change and they have to implement the change in the processes to keep change managed and control. Similarly, like when we are talking about change in programs, programs are already managed in a manner that it accepts and adopts the change, and it is necessary to adopt different projects benefits and program benefits to deliver the outcomes and output set by the organization. In case of portfolio, the change is like continuously monitoring the changes in a broader internal and external environment. So moving to the further planning, when we are talking about the relationship between planning of projects, programs and portfolios, the project managers have to work on high level information and into a detailed plan throughout the project life cycle. So they have to plan about each of the process in the life cycle. And when we are talking about planning in programs, then programs are managed using high level plans that track the interdependencies and progress of the program components. Portfolio is similar, like project portfolio managers create and maintain necessary processes and communication relative to the aggregate portfolio. Talking about management of projects, programs and portfolio, project managers manage the project team to meet the project objectives. Similarly, like program managers manage the managers to ensure that program benefits are delivered. In portfolio, the portfolio managers manage and coordinate the portfolio management staff, program or the project staff that have reporting responsibilities to the major portfolio or the aggregate portfolio. When we are talking about monitoring in projects, the project managers monitor and control the work of producing the products, services and results. Whereas in program, managers monitor the progress of program components to ensure the overall goals, schedules and budget. And portfolio managers monitor strategic changes, aggregate resources, allocation, performance results and risk of the portfolio. In the last phase of success, which I have put in the last one in the manner, success is measured by the product, or the quality, timeline, and the budget, and the compliance to the different standards, and the degree of the customer satisfaction. If the customer is satisfied, then it means the project is successful. The success for the program is like the program manager and the program has delivered the desired outputs and input required by the organization, and it is effective in delivering those benefits. In case of portfolios, we are talking about that the investment performance of the organization has been met, and the benefit of the portfolio has been realized by the organization. So this video was up to here. If you like my video, do visit my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. You can also earn training certificate from our video channel. The process is as follows, and it is easy for you. We have issued many certificates for many participants, and you can also get special certificates. So what you are waiting for? Go today to my YouTube channel and like and subscribe to it. Thank you.